Meaning of insolvable.
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 Insolvable. Insolvable refers to a problem or puzzle that cannot be solved or resolved. It indicates a situation that lacks a solution or remedy. The term is commonly used in mathematics and logic, where certain equations or problems are deemed insolvable due to their complexity or lack of adequate information. In general usage, insolvable implies an irreparable or unsolvable condition, often leading to frustration or disappointment. The word also connotes a sense of finality, as there may be no further actions or attempts that can be taken to fix the problem.